Alright, so today's job is to fix this mini excavator. This is a Kubota 50. So this machine is currently having issue on the swing. So as I move the handle to the left and then to the right, and the swing doesn't even give any response. It doesn't even move. What we're gonna do today is to check everything that is related to the swing, which is from the pilot control valve and then to the control valve and also to the swing motor. The first part that we will be checking is the swing motor because I suspect there is some issue on the pressure inside of the motor, and I'm not really sure what is the issue there. But we will taking out the swing motor, and then I'm gonna check every part of the motor, and I'm gonna make sure that all the part is in good condition.
Dia punya minyak tuh macam ukur gitu, hitam lagi. Hmm? Ini gitu.
Apaan kan nih?
Oh,
Terus balik ke yang boxer.
baru.
Pakai itu. Nggak boleh pakai itu yang dicat. Untuk kuliah. So this is what inside of the motor, right? So this is the valve, and then this is the valve plate. As I pull out the plate, and then I saw that there is a massive scratch on the plate. So which is, I think, the pressure is leak between the valve plate and also the cylinder block. The next part is to clean all the part of this motor, and after that we fix the scratch on the buff plate, and after that we install back this motor. Then we are ready to test whether the uh, swing is function or else it is not function. After we finish install the motor, and then I try uh, to pull the handle, swing handle to the left and then to the right, and seems like the swing is still not functioning. The next step is to check the pilot valve. So what we're gonna do is we will switch the swing hose and also the arm hose, just to confirm that whether the problem is coming from the pilot valve or not. The pilot valve is running pretty good, and there's no problem on the pilot valve. So what we're gonna do next is to switch the hydraulic supply from the control valve to the motor. So here we are using the front blade hydraulic supply from the control valve. Then we use it to supply pressure to the swing motor, and we'll see what will happen after we done doing this setup.
Okay.
As you can see here that the swing is started to move, and it's not moving pretty strong because I use the front blade supply, which is has less pressure. Now I can confirm that the problem is coming from the control valve, which is the control valve spool. This is the swing spool, and the spool is kind of stuck and is not moving smoothly inside of the control valve. This is what it looked like after I pull the spool out, and this is actually bending, and there's a crack in between the spring and also the spool. The problem now is we cannot get the immediate replacement for this part, so we have no choice. What we're gonna do is to do a temporary repair for this spool. So this is what I do. I just do some steaming on the spool, and after that we'll put everything else back, and we are ready to test uh, the swing.
Dapat ya?